In the heart of mist-covered jungle, an explorer follows the whispers of ancient legends reached in her notebook, crystal fragments and massive footprints hit at something beyond human, something watching, a human ram, a glowing totem, and a shadow too fast to follow pull her deeper until she tumbles into glowing mass and discovers a massive gorilla calmly breathing crystals. But this is no beast. With eyes full of wisdom, her reveals ancient truths, vision of broken balance and forgotten ritual. Together they awaken the jungle's guardians, summon crystal power, and restore harmony to a dying land. As the jungle breathes once more, the explorer is gifted a glowing compass, her guide for what lies ahead, and in her journal. One entry, new glimpse. The day meet the jungle's heart.